Last month, my weather app on my phone showed nothing but sun for 1 week straight. And we had the biggest storm of 2024 season. All this week was nothing but weather alerts, winter storm warning, watch out, Snowmageddon's coming, you're surely going to be in the cabbage before you even leave your driveway. This has certainly been the most overhyped storm of 2024 thus far. And it's only February 3rd. All right, the storm delivered. It's face shots for all my friends. Stevo, been trying for 2 seasons to get you that sticker. The Elvira pinball sticker. Finally.